Good morning, class 4. I hope everyone is fit and fine. So, beta, we are doing revision for the unit test. We have already revised both the chapters 7 and 8. So, today we will revise the bookwork of both the chapters. First, come to chapter number 7, that is how plants survive. So, let's do revision of bookwork, page number 83. First, fill in the blanks. Plants on the mountains are usually dash and have dash to multiply. Answer is flowerless and they have cones to multiply. Plants growing in deserts store water in the dash which become fleshy. They store water in the stems that become fleshy. Leaves of underwater plants absorb gases dash directly through their dash. They absorb gases dissolved in water directly through their surface. The juice of acacia gives us gum. Dash gives us medicine, tulsi. Then choose the correct option. Which of these can grow in areas of less rainfall? All the three options are correct. A, B and C. Means people, gulmohar, shisham and sal and ashok, they can grow in areas of less rainfall. Which of these is true about trees that grow on mountains? They are tall and straight. They have conical shape. They grow cones with seeds inside them. All are correct. Which of these help plants growing in swampy regions to breathe? So they have breathing roots. Answer is breathing roots. That is the main feature of the plants that grow in swampy areas. Where do saprophytic plants get their nutrition from? Dead plants and dead animals. They get their nutrition from dead plants and animals. Stems of which of these plants would you use to make baskets and walking sticks? Answer is bamboo. Which of these refers to dry land that receive less rainfall? Dry lands, they're also called as deserts. Why do we find coconut trees in coastal areas? Because coconut tree, it can grow or it can survive in salty water. That is why it is found in coastal areas. How do some plants survive underwater? They have no stomata. They have thin and narrow leaves. Their leaves absorb gases directly from their surface. All the three options, they are correct. Then give two examples, plants that grow in areas of heavy rainfall. Rubber and teak. Plants that grow in deserts. Cactus and babul. Underwater plants, tape grass, pondweed. Insectivorous plants, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Plant fibers, cotton, jute. Plants that gives us medicines, tulsi and neem. Then give one words. Plants that grow on land, they are called terrestrial plants. Plants that remain green all year around, evergreen, they are called as evergreen. Plants that grow in water, they are known as aquatic plants. Plants whose leaves are modified to trap insects, they are known as insectivorous, as they trap insects or eat insects. Plants that cannot make their own food and absorb nutrients from dead plants and animals, they are called saprophytic plants. Next, let's recall page number 85. Types of plants. First are the terrestrial plants. They can grow on mountains. Example is given, pine tree. Next in plains. Plains में दो तरह के grow करते हैं. One in areas of less rainfall and one in areas of heavy rainfall. Example neem and other example is teak. Next comes in deserts. Example cactus. In swampy areas, example mangroves. On sea coast, example coconut tree. So these are the plants that grow on land. Below this chart, types of plants are there. First are aquatic plants. Three types of aquatic plants we have read, floating, fixed and underwater. First, write examples of floating. Two examples, duckweed and water hyacinth. Then fixed, water lily, and your underwater pondweed and tape grass. Then comes insectivorous plants. Write two examples, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Then comes non-green plants, example coral root and Indian pipe. This was bookwork of chapter number 7. Next come to bookwork of chapter number 8, that is circulatory system and excretory system. As we revised this chapter in the last lecture, very easy chapter this is. And excretory system. Come to bookwork. Come to page number 91. Dash work together so that our body can function normally. Answer is organ systems. The dash system helps to transport substances within the body. Circulatory system. Dash is a fluid that is carried by blood vessels to all parts of the body. Answer is blood. This is a fluid. The dash system is an organ system that helps of getting rid of waste formed inside our body. That is excretory system, by which the waste is removed from our body. The formation of urine takes place in the dash, kidneys. Match the following. Circulatory system, transport of substances, it transports substances. Excretory system, removal of waste. Arteries and veins, blood vessels. Kidneys, urine formation takes place over here. And heart is a pumping organ. It is a pumping organ that pumps blood. Next come to choose the correct options. Which of these are transported by blood? Nutrients, water, oxygen and carbon dioxide. All are correct, as all these things are transported by the blood to all parts of the body. Which of these are called blood vessels? There are mainly 3 blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries. So only 2 are given over here, that are arteries and veins. Answer is arteries and veins. Next, which of these helps in getting rid of waste from the body? We know excretory system helps to get rid of waste from the body. Which of these is not a part of the excretory system? Heart and blood vessels are not a part of the excretory system. They are part of the circulatory system. Next, which of these organs store urine? Urine is stored in urinary bladder. Answer will be urinary bladder. And it is a bag-like organ where urine is stored. Which of these is not a part of the circulatory system? Answer kidneys. Kidneys are the part of the excretory system, not the circulatory system. Where does urine get formed? Urine get formed in the kidneys. Which of these is a process by which waste are removed by the body? There is one process by which waste is removed from the body. The name of the process is excretion. Very main term, very important term of this chapter, excretion. The process by which waste is removed from the body is called excretion. Then give 2 examples. Organ systems of the body. We have read about 2 organ systems in this chapter, write them. Circulatory and excretory. Organs of the circulatory system. Write 2 organs of the circulatory system. One is heart, second one blood vessels. Substances that get transported within the system. Write 2 substances. Water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients any two. Blood vessels, arteries, veins, capillaries. Organs of the excretory system, kidneys, urinary bladder, ureters, urethra. These are the four, you can write two. If you want to write the third type of blood vessels, spellings of capillaries are this. Capillaries. Arteries and veins, you know. Next, question answers we discussed in the last lecture. Now come to let's recall circulatory system. Organs present in this system. Write the three organs present in circulatory system. Heart, blood vessels, like names of the blood vessels, arteries, veins. Then on the right hand side, excretory system. Organs present in this system are, write the organs present in the excretory system. Start from the starting, that is kidneys. Two kidneys are there. Then ureters. Then urinary bladder. And the last one is urethra. These are the organs of the excretory system. So beta, this was about chapter number 7 and chapter number 8. Both the chapters are thoroughly revised. Read them properly, revise them properly, and all the best for your unit test. I know all will get good marks. So all the best. Thank you and have a nice day.